Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a Euro nymphing rod I bought recently. This is from Shadow. So I bought a Shadow 2 10-foot 3-weight rod. So this is a beginner's set. Cost me about $2.89. Let's see what we have. I just received the package. So I'll open it and try to put it together, and I'll show you what we have in this box. This nice rod tube, and it's written Echo Shadow 2. This is the base, and really hard to focus, but it has a nice stonefly symbol there, nice cork grip, and then the first guide is within your base piece, so that's what I like. This is the topmost portion of the rod, and it's pretty skinny. I think it will be super sensitive. And then we have the second one, and it does come with alignment dots. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it has alignment dots. Same thing here, it has the alignment dots and helps the newbie like me to properly align the rod. Last piece. And I just hit the roof of my room because this is 10 feet long. Pretty standard Euro nymphing rod. So on top of this rod, what I have added is a competition kit. What you get in that is two 6-inch long rod extension, so you can either make that rod 10.5 foot long, or if you add both pieces of the rod and then add it to your 10-foot long rod, it becomes a 11 feet long fishing rod. With that two pieces of the rod, you also get a fighting butt if you want to add that to the end of your rod like this. And it also comes with some weight like this that you can put it on the base of your fly rod, so it adds some weight on the end, and it is easier for you to balance the weight of the rod and your reel. For the beginners, I think it's a good rod. From the reviews I have seen online, I'll try to use this in my local river this weekend or maybe next weekend, and then I'll put the review, and I'll put videos of fish if I catch any. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Bye. Really small, and I'm doing my best to tie it, but so small I can hardly focus. Look. So hopefully okay, first one. on. Nice brown. Hey. Yeah, nice brown. Yeah, that's a good size. Yeah, out of that hole. Come on. Okay, first fish in Euro nymphing, and it took bars emerger. It is a nice one. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture and then let it go. Okay, here's a nice little brown trout that I caught on the Euro nymphing rod. Okay. My chest camera died, but then this is the third fish. I caught a nice rainbow and a small rainbow kind of midge. Okay, pretty good size. Nice, let me get this thing out. Okay, let me release this, but since the camera died I cannot do underwater footage, so